How's it going, guys, and welcome back to the Crypto Unveiled channel. In today's video we are going to be talking about cryptocurrency bull runs and my personal prediction on when the next bull run is actually going to be happening. Before we do actually get into the video though, I'd just like to say make sure you do hit that subscribe button, and of course guys, this is not financial advice, so make sure you come to your own conclusion and do your own research before investing into any coins I talk about in my videos. With that out of the way, let's get straight into the video. So the first part of the video is actually going to be discussing what a bull run actually is. So if we go to this article here, this gives you a sort of proper definition of what a bull run actually is. So a bull run refers to an extended period during which a lot of investors are purchasing cryptocurrencies. Is characterized by the above mentioned characteristics such as rising prices, demand outweighing supply, and high market confidence. Investor confidence typically drives a positive feedback loop, further extending the bull run. More investments equals continued price. For cryptocurrency, most especially, the price in of a given cryptocurrency is largely influenced and driven by public confidence in an asset. So I believe this does do very well to sum up what a bull run is. But to put it very simply, it's basically when a lot of people actually do join the market and start investing into the cryptocurrency, and of course it drives more hype into the cryptocurrency scene, and so more and more people invest, and like it says here, it makes a positive feedback loop, and just increasing the prices of cryptocurrencies exponentially. Of course, the opposite is a bear market. So it's basically all I just said here, but the opposite. So people start to pull out of cryptocurrency and the price drops. People see the price dropping and start to pull out more and more and more. And so the price continues to plummet further and further down. So that is a sort of good understanding, if you guys didn't know already, what a bull run is and what a bear market is. So now we're going to get into the part of the video of why bull runs actually happen into cryptocurrency. And to put it very simply, not a lot of people know why a bull run actually does happen. But we can sort of give look at a sort of prediction on when the next bull run is going to be happening from a certain a few different factors. What I normally like to look at is how the economy is doing in the world, in fiat currency, how the economy is doing, like how are people doing with money. So technically, a lot of the time when people are doing well with investments and the economy is doing well, people obviously have more money to spend on investments, and like cryptocurrency is, spend a lot more money onto higher risk but higher reward investments such as cryptocurrency. So that's why sometimes you see when the economy is doing really well, like when people were getting given money during coronavirus, the cryptocurrency market spiked up because people had spare money to invest into more risky investments rather than the normal S&P 500, for example. Another good way of telling when a bull run actually is going to be happening is, what I like to personally do is look at when cryptocurrency supply is actually being cut. And of course, if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, I'm of course talking about halvings. So this is a really good indicator when a bull run is actually going to be happening, in my opinion, because like I just said, as it says in here, normally demand outweighing supply normally means that people are investing more into a cryptocurrency, and of course that is basically what a halving is. So you can see here the Bitcoin halving is happening 301 days time, and basically what this actually is basically a halving happens every 4 years, and basically the amount of blocks which are getting mined gets the block reward for the blocks gets cut in half. So as you can see here, the initial reward was 50 BTC back in when BTC first released, and then every 4 years it's been halved, and of course from 50 now the current block when it halves in 301 days will be just down to 3.125 BTC, and of course this is cutting the amount of supply, the amount of BTC that is actually generated by the miners. And of course, if the supply stays the same or even increases, of course, this is going to generate, a price increase into Bitcoin. And of course, you guys know Bitcoin being the biggest cryptocurrency. It had the first mover advantage. It was the original currency. A lot of people look at Bitcoin. So when Bitcoin is doing well, a lot of the times the rest of the crypto market is doing well as well. So now getting onto the part of the video is when the cryptocurrency bull run will actually be happening, in my personal opinion. And that will be, of course, in 301 days. I do believe that just before this, before the Bitcoin halving, we could start to see prices of Bitcoin, especially, of course, because basically, if we look back at the chart, you can see the spikes that happen within Bitcoin are normally around or just before the Bitcoin halving. So basically, I do believe that maybe just before, once a bit of hype starts to build around Bitcoin halving, that we're going to see the price start to spike. And of course, like it says in this article here, we are going to start to see a positive feedback loop. So people are going to start seeing the positive increase into Bitcoin and start to think, oh, okay, Bitcoin start to increase. Maybe we're investing to Bitcoin even further, of course, driving the price up for Bitcoin even more. This is going to attract even more investors into the cryptocurrency because they're seeing Bitcoin doing so well. And of course, oftentimes when people see Bitcoin doing well, they like to invest into altcoins which haven't pumped up so much yet. And of course, this altogether just drives the crypto market, drives it up, and again creates a positive feedback loop. So with that will be the end of the video, guys. I'd like to thank you very much for watching the video. Make sure you comment down below what you think about the video, if you liked it or not. When you actually believe the next bull run is actually going to be. Are you excited about the bull run? Let me know, any investments you've done. And apart from that, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the like button. And I'll see you guys in the very next video. Peace.